How to remove background noise on Discord. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise on Discord. To remove background noise on Discord, you will need to adjust the settings within the Discord application. For that, open your Discord application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this main screen. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to see the profile icon or the U icon. Tap on this icon and this will take you to your profile page. In your profile page, at the top right corner, you will be able to see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on the settings icon and once you reach to the settings page, here look for app settings section. Under it, you'll be able to see this voice option. Tap on this voice option. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll down and find the scripts option. Make sure to select this option. This helps you to figure out non-human sounds like keyboard clicks and background chats. When you scroll a bit down, there you will find noise suppression option. You may also tap on the toggle button at the right side of it to enable it. Once after doing that, again scroll down. And under this video processing section, there you will find three different options: echo cancellation, automatic gain control, and advanced voice activity. Make sure to toggle on the buttons at the right side of each of them. This can further improve audio quality by reducing echo and other disturbance. After making these adjustments, you can join the voice channel and test your microphone. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove background noise on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.